This is another video on my black powder 32 caliber pistol made from scrap piece of plywood and scrap metals and springs. Here's the barrel. Basically, I wanted to show how I have a tongue and groove solder job on these carriage bolts. These are brass carriage bolts, very hard to find. I think they're 6mm. Here is the primer cap, which I just dropped right here. Here's the nipple that was actually part of this rod that I made the barrel from. I don't know if you can see through that. It's just a copper nipple, and yeah, it is kind of fragile, but they did make nipples from like brass. So, you know, this is more for looks. This thing will shoot. I actually made sure that when I was building it, it actually would shoot. Here's the 1/2-inch copper tubing. Made a little valley for it where I could solder this bushing in place for the firing pin. If I can get it to move. So these two pieces fit together like so, except for the firing pin being in the way, because you want to make sure your firing pin goes just a little bit further than what's necessary, because this whole thing's made out of wood. It could shrink, expand. You still want the gun to fire in those conditions. Here's the two nuts I made from another piece of copper. Go here. They're completely handmade. So this actually goes together like so, very easily. Typically, like so. Put your nuts in, use a little key I cut off, screw it back together. And I think if somebody was to make something like this, yeah, I would definitely want the tool with it. It's just to keep everything in one spot, like I did with the ammo. Thanks for watching.